嗨，小朋友，今天我们要讲的故事是 Pee the Cat. I love my white shoes. 小朋友，你的鞋子是什么颜色啊？皮皮猫啊，这就是 Pee the Cat。他最喜欢的鞋子就是他的 white shoes。他最喜欢他白色的鞋哦。那 What's your favorite color? 你最喜欢的颜色是什么颜色呢？All right. So we will start from Pee the Cat. I love my white shoes. 他的白鞋出门，结果弄脏了，会变什么颜色？他会哭吗？我们来看故事咯。Pee the Cat. I love my white shoes. Ooh. Now what color the shoes do you see? This is the yellow shoes. Do you like it? And that's the blue shoes and green shoes.And red shoes. What's your favorite color? But Pee the Cat, he loves his white shoes. That's his favorite color. Pee the Cat, I love my white shoes. Pee the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. 他走咯，穿着他最喜欢的白鞋。Pee the Cat, he loves his white shoes so much.And he sang a song. Are you ready to sing the song with me? Are you ready? I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. The white one, the white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh, no.